Hey everyone, welcome back to FibonacciPi. In today's 3-minute lesson, we are learning something that every beginner must know in C#: operators and expressions. These are the building blocks that let your code calculate, compare, and make decisions. So let's dive into it. What are the operators? Operators are like symbols that tell C# what action to perform. Just like math, C# has its own set of operators that help the program work with data. Arithmetic operators. Let's start with arithmetic operators, the ones we use for calculation: add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulus. The modulus operators give the remainder. For example, 10 modulus 3 will give 1. Assignment operator. These assign values to variables. The basic one is equal, but we also have shortcuts like add equal, subtract equal, multiply equal, divide equal. So instead of writing x equal x at 5, we can write x add equal 5. It's clean and simple, but both give the same result. Comparison operators. These help the program compare values. Example: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal. These are super important in condition and loops. Logical operator. These help combine conditions: and, or, not. Example: if age greater than 18 and city equal Kolkata. Now in this place we have two conditions combined with AND operator. So what is an expression? An expression is simply a combination of values, variables, and operators that produce a result. For example, integer total equals price multiply quantity add tax. Here multiplication and addition together form an expression. So that's a quick, smooth introduction to operators and expression in C#. These small symbols control almost everything in programming, so mastering them will make your coding journey much easier. See you in the next video where we will explore the loops in C#. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to FibonacciPi for easy C# lessons.